Good evening, guys. Christmas is already near, and I got myself an advanced Christmas present. So today I'll be sharing my EXO Happiness photo book. So if you see, we have Dear Happiness, and then from EXO. At the back is this one. So let's open it up. First is I'll take out the plastic. Wait a minute. Actually big and heavy. Okay. Let's open it. There you go. Dear Happiness. So we have Baekhyun over there. And we have Chanyeol. Chen. Okay. We're having so much fun. Say honey. Okay. I got this because of that. Okay. Sehun. This one is a lot, really. So let's fast forward to some. Sehun. And then with the dog. That dog is very lucky. Okay. So they are really having a lot of fun. And let's see. Swimming again. Swimming pool. Okay. And snorkeling. Swimming pool. Stephanie is back. Okay. Then we have and sleeping Sue. Stephanie. This one. Okay. So this photo book is actually worth it because it has a lot of their pictures, as in most are pictures of them. There are only few blank ones, and it's very thick. Okay, if you're gonna see, it's really very thick. Okay, and the quality is good. The paper is nice. The pictures are all, well taken. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this short video for my Dear Happiness photo book. Bye bye.